Nollywood actor Amokode Oliteo, widely known as Ijebu, has joyfully expressed his deep gratitude to God for the blessing of a brand new lounge. Sharing the exciting news on social media, the actor posted stunning photos of the lounge, which he proudly named IJB. Since the announcement, fans and fellow actors have filled the comment section with warm congratulatory messages, celebrating his latest milestone. Fast-rising actress Olayinka Ajala is overjoyed and full of gratitude to God Almighty as she unveils her newly acquired mansion in the heart of Lagos. With heartfelt appreciation, Olayinka Suleiman celebrates becoming a proud landlady, joining the League of Homeowners in the prestigious Lekki area.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.